Did you know that a single bee produces only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its entire lifetime? It's a tiny amount, but when you consider the thousands of bees in a hive working together tirelessly, it adds up to something remarkable. These tiny creatures, buzzing from flower to flower, play a crucial role in our world that extends far beyond just making honey. Bees are nature's master pollinators. As they flit from blossom to blossom, collecting nectar and pollen, they inadvertently transfer pollen grains, enabling plants to reproduce. This process is essential for the survival of countless plant species, including many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts that make up our own diet. It's hard to overstate the importance of bees in the grand scheme of life on Earth. Their pollination activities contribute significantly to biodiversity, ensuring the continuation of diverse plant and animal life. Without bees, our world would be a very different place, less colorful, less vibrant, and with far less food diversity. Imagine a world without coffee, apples, or almonds. These are just a few examples of the crops that rely heavily on bee pollination. In fact, it's estimated that bees pollinate about 1/3 of the food we eat. Their contribution to global food security is immense, making them invaluable allies to humanity. Bees might be small, but they have developed some incredibly sophisticated ways to communicate within their hives. One of the most fascinating is the waggle dance. This intricate dance, performed by a returning forager bee, communicates the direction and distance of a food source to other bees in the hive. The angle of the bee's waggle run, relative to the sun's position, indicates the direction of the food source, while the duration of the dance conveys the distance. It's like a miniature GPS system, allowing bees to share vital information and efficiently exploit resources. While honey is undoubtedly the most famous bee product, these industrious insects offer much more than just sweetness. Beeswax, for instance, is used in candles, cosmetics, and even food wraps. Propolis, a resinous substance collected by bees, has antibacterial and antifungal properties and is used in natural remedies. And then there's royal jelly, a protein-rich secretion fed to bee larvae, believed by some to have various health benefits. The hive is a treasure trove of natural wonders, each with its own unique properties and uses. Section 5. The Queen Bee, Ruler of the Hive. At the heart of every beehive reigns the queen bee, a majestic figure responsible for laying all the eggs that ensure the colony's survival. Unlike worker bees, which typically live for a few short weeks, a queen bee can live for several years, laying up to 2,000 eggs per day during her prime. The queen's influence on the hive is paramount. She releases pheromones, chemical signals that regulate the behavior of the other bees, ensuring the smooth functioning of the colony as a whole. Section 6. Threats to bees, a cause for concern. Sadly, bee populations around the world are facing numerous threats. Habitat loss, pesticide use, climate change, and diseases are all taking a toll on these vital pollinators. The decline in bee numbers is a serious concern, as it could have far-reaching consequences for ecosystems and food security. It's crucial that we take action to protect bees and ensure their survival. Their fate is intertwined with our own, and their decline is a stark reminder of the delicate balance of nature. Section 7. How to help our pollinating pals. The good news is that there are things we can all do to help bees thrive. Planting bee-friendly flowers in our gardens and balconies provides crucial foraging resources for these pollinators. Avoiding the use of pesticides in our gardens and opting for organic produce can also make a big difference. Supporting local beekeepers and buying local honey is another way to contribute to bee conservation. By understanding the challenges bees face and taking simple steps to help, we can all play a part in safeguarding these essential creatures. Section 8. The sweet rewards of bee conservation. Protecting bees is not just about preserving biodiversity or securing our food supply, it's also about appreciating the intricate beauty and wonder of the natural world. Bees, with their complex social structures, fascinating behaviors, and crucial ecological roles, embody the interconnectedness of life on Earth. By learning about bees and sharing our knowledge with others, we can foster a greater appreciation for these remarkable creatures and inspire action to protect them. Section 9. Appreciating the buzz. Next time you see a bee buzzing around your garden, take a moment to appreciate the vital role it plays in our world. These tiny creatures, often overlooked, are essential for the health of our planet and the well-being of humanity. Let's work together to ensure that bees continue to thrive for generations to come. The future of bees, and indeed our own future, depends on it.